Hi guys, welcome back to Tableau for the Data View channel. This is Aniket and today we'll be learning a live connection versus extract connection in Tableau. So let's jump on the topic. So if you look at my screen, we have a Excel sheet named scorecard and we have three columns in here: name, type and score. Okay, so column A and column B have the data type text and column C is the numeric data type, and I have named the sheet as dataset1. So if you look at the screen, you will see there are total 7 rows in this data sheet. So I'll just save this sheet and I'll connect Tableau to this sheet. Scorecard. Click on open. So it is now establishing a connection with the data set. Okay, so by default we have the data sheet dataset1 on the data grid view. So let it load the data first. Okay, so I'll just demonstrate you how the live connection works. So by default we have a live connection here. I will go into the sheet. I'll prepare a visualization for you guys. So just give me a few seconds to prepare a basic chart for you. Okay, it is taking a more time than usual. Okay, here we are. Okay, if you look at this, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 rows. This is what we had in our Excel sheet, right? Okay, and we have scores to this adjacent names. So what we will do is we will just go in here. We will add one more row, H female, and we'll add a score here, and we will save this data. Okay, we will jump back to Tableau, and what we will do is we will just click here. Okay, we have already set it to auto update worksheet. What we'll do is we will just right click on this data set and we will just click refresh. A new row which we have added into Excel sheet should appear here right away once you click on refresh. I'm not sure why it is taking. Okay, there we are. So we have our row H in here. So this is how the live connection works. Okay, so even if you try to delete something, it will, it will be deleted in Tableau worksheet. Okay, so this is how the live connection works. So we'll go back to our data source, and what we'll do is we'll change this live connection into an extract. Okay, so now it is importing its data, this data into its own memory, and it is saving that data into some other location. I'll just demonstrate how it is being done. Okay, so here we are. We have a extract database data source for Tableau. Once you try to navigate to sheet 1, it will ask you to save a extract of your data. Okay, so I'm just giving a path which is on desktop. I'll click on save. Okay, it will save, but as a extract. Okay, so I'll just go to my desktop and I'll show you how the extract file looks like. Okay, if you look here, we have our extract file ready on the desktop. So if you look at the type of the file, it has been mentioned as Tableau extract file. Okay, so your Tableau dashboard is now connected to this file and not to this file. Okay, so let's go back to Tableau, and this is what your view looks like. Now what I'll do is I'll again delete 2 rows, H and G, from our Excel sheet, and I'll save this file. Okay, so I'll go back to Tableau and I'll do an extract refresh. Okay, so instead of refreshing the Excel file, you will not have. I'll rephrase my sentence. So you will not be asked to refresh your Excel file now. If you have the extract, it will ask you to refresh the extract. Once you click here, what it will do is it will ask the the database which you are using, the data extract which you are using. You have to select that data and you have to refresh it. So you can see this progress bar, right? The refreshing progress bar. What it is doing is it is now connecting the extract to the Excel file, and now it is importing that Excel file again into this extract. And then once it has been imported, it is again connected back to Tableau. Okay, so this is how it works. So even if your Excel sheet is deleted, you don't have to worry. You have extract on your desktop or on your server, where Tableau report has been connected. So even if you send a report to your client and you misplace the Excel file or you delete the Excel file, so you have the extract file, backup file, where your dashboards are safely working on the server. Okay, so here you go. You can see our the view is updated again. So this is how the live and extract connection works, guys. So please post a comment if you have any queries. So I'll write back. Thank you so much. Have a nice day.